Okay, now we're gonna work this problem concerning the angle measures of the triangle. Okay, if we assume that A, B, and C are the angle measures of a triangle, we want to prove that the sine of A plus the sine of B plus the sine of C is equal to 4 cosine of A over 2 times cosine of B over 2 cosine C over 2. How can we do that? So basically we can work this problem by using the formula. Okay, so what's the cosine of A times cosine of B? So here we can use, this is a hint for those willing to work this one, use cosine x cosine y is 1/2 cosine x plus y plus cosine x minus y. So start from here and use the sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to pi. So this one, if we use this one, we can solve this problem with some modification. Okay, so if we multiply by 2 here, we see that we can multiply by 2 and take x as a over 2 and y as b over 2, and we can solve this problem. Okay, you can stop the video here and try it by yourself and see what you can get. Okay, let's solve this problem. Okay, so before we proceed, we can prove this formula here. We're gonna prove this formula. So we know that cosine of x plus y is cosine x times cosine of y minus sine x sine y. The same thing for the cosine x minus y. It's the cosine x times cosine y minus sine x sine y. Now if we add this plus, sorry, here minus a plus. So if we add these two, okay, we get, so I'm gonna move this to the right side. I get 2 cosine x cosine y is equal to cosine x plus y plus cosine x minus y. So this is what we're gonna use to solve this problem. Okay, so we are given, we want to prove that sine A plus sine B plus sine C is 4 cosine A cosine B cosine A over 2 cosine B over 2 cosine C over 2. So we're going to use these two here with x as A over 2 and B as y, B over 2 as y. So here, so let's do 2 cosine A over 2 cosine B over 2. According to this formula, what we're gonna get? We're gonna get cosine of A over 2 plus B over 2, that's A plus B over 2, plus cosine A minus B over 2. Okay, so this is the first part. Now if we multiply, so this is 2 cosine A over 2 cosine B over 2. If we multiply by 2 cosine C over 2, okay, well now this one, it's this. So let's multiply this one by this, okay? So we get 2 cosine C over 2, and we have cosine A plus B over 2 plus cosine A minus B over 2. Okay, now we're gonna reapply this formula again with x as C over 2 and y as A plus B over 2 in the first time, and in the second time y is gonna be A minus B over 2. So here we have 2 cosine C over 2 cosine A plus B over 2 plus 2 cosine C over 2 cosine A minus B over 2. So we're gonna use this formula again. Here we get cosine A plus B plus C over 2 plus cosine, because cosine is even, it doesn't matter. So it's gonna be c minus a minus b over 2. Okay, plus cosine c plus a minus b over 2 plus cosine c minus a plus b over 2. Okay, here we know that a plus b plus c is pi, so the cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So let me write it down. Cosine pi over 2, it's coming from here. Here in this one here, so we have cosine of c over 2 minus a plus b over 2. And here I have cosine of c plus a over 2 minus b over 2. And in the last one I have cosine, okay, a b plus c over 2 minus a over 2. Okay, now this is 0. And here I have cosine c over 2 minus a plus b over 2 is just pi over 2 minus c over 2. With the minus, it's going to be plus. So it's minus plus c over 2 minus pi over 2. The second one here, so c plus a over 2 is pi over 2 minus b over 2 minus b over 2, which is going to give me cosine pi over 2 minus b. This one here, the last one, so it's going to be pi over 2 minus a over 2 minus a over 2. It's going to be cosine pi over 2 minus a. Okay, so this one is just cosine of c minus pi over 2 plus cosine pi over 2 minus b plus cosine pi over 2 minus a. Okay, so now I know the cosine of c minus pi over 2 is just the sine. So this is just, so here I have this one as the sine of c, and this one is just sine of b, and the last one is sine of a. So this proves my formula. This proves what I need. This proves that I get sine a plus sine b sine c plus sine c. So that's what I need here. Okay, the key is that cosine of c minus pi over 2 is just sine c. Cosine pi over 2 minus b is just sine of b, because cosine is even. So it's the same thing as cosine b minus pi over 2, and cosine of a minus pi over 2 just sine of a. So this one gives me the result that I need. Therefore, we have proven that this is true. The key idea here is that these two formulas, okay, and from here we get this result. That's the key to proving this problem. Okay, we have shown that if A, B, and C are the angles measured in a triangle, we have sine A plus sine B plus sine C is for cosine A over 2, cosine B over 2, cosine C over 2. This ends our video. I don't think I made a mistake. The minus, plus, yes, no, I didn't make any mistake. I was scared. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Yes, I didn't make any mistakes. I hope so. I'll always make mistakes. Sorry. Thank you.